So the Biafran government in Ezra have issued a very strong warning to those that are planning to protest to stay away from everything to do with Biafra, and they also warn them that if any Biafra is killed during this protest, that is going to harm or be people that are willing to fight against Nigerian government. I know that this have go on to say that there is no protest in every Biafran territory. That whatever that you're protesting for, that Biafrans are not validating Nigeria. So why these things is taken into account that people are suffering, people hardship everywhere, and a lot of people did not vote the current president, so they are protesting now. But again, you guys know the people who have put these people into office. But again, the Biafran government has said that because his people are not part of Nigeria again, they are opting to go out because about 55 million Biafran have voted to leave Nigeria. So there's no need of him validating Nigeria. He's saying that then you have warned that nobody should go to Biafran's property to touch, that everything that he's going to start from Abuja, Lagos to this, this is counterattack. Now it's not about he's going to Abuja and Lagos, and this guy, he doesn't play. The good guy, the Biafran government in Ezra Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa doesn't play. Guys, you better take this warning. It's serious. It's serious. This guy doesn't joke around. Thank you.
My fellow Biafrans, today we have given a very serious warning to those threatening Biafrans about the Nigeria protest. We have absolutely nothing to do with the Nigeria protest. We are Biafrans. We don't validate Nigeria. But if any Biafran is victimized for Nigeria protesting, we have assured them we will weaponize every person who cares to carry arms for self-defense. The weaponization of these protesters, any Biafran has been killed, will start from Lagos and Abuja. We will weaponize every protesters that cares to carry arms for self-defense. I rest my case. This is a warning to those threatening Biafrans as Nigeria are planning to protest. We have nothing to do with it. But once a Biafran is killed in the name of Nigeria protesting and tagging P2B into this protest,